Hey there guys, it is Tom Stern in the behalf of Indestructible Productions once again with another monthly update. Now the month of August was a very different one because, well, I was on vacation for the entire month, from my day job that is. That did somewhat affect the content that I was putting out. There were 2 live streams that I did from the cabin and they, with mixed results. It was all fun and good, but nobody really showed up for the streams. I even tried to do it sort of like stateside time so that people in the States could follow along, but that, yeah, went the way it did. One of the major things that did happen though is having the giveaway. So if you're not aware, today is the last day. You can get your final entries in. You still got a couple hours to do so. But today I will be at 6 p.m. finish time. So that's what, right now, UTC +3, I think, GMT +3. On Instagram, I will do a giveaway for the first official IP Guitars t-shirt. And these t-shirts, they will be coming out for purchase later on when I get the web shop or the merch shop activated and everything else. There will be more news about that. But for the first t-shirt that we're gonna print out, yeah, it's gonna be going to a lucky winner of that giveaway. So that's gonna be happening on Instagram. If you haven't checked out the Instagram, go check it out here. In general, there's a hell of a lot more updates on there than there are anywhere else. Then, otherwise, I just put out a video on the Charvel maintenance that I had in, and that was a lot of fun. Tried a couple of new different things. Let me know how that new format is working out, and I'll see if I actually keep that up. But I've personally really enjoyed it. The camera angles are working a lot better. I'm getting the lighting, still working on some of the color grading stuff, but it's looking better. And in general, just adding titles, adding chapter markers and stuff like that has been a huge help. One of the very cool things that I've managed to do now that I've had more spare time is, of course, work on all the guitars that I've had in progress for God knows how long. So, for instance, I have all the production models. So there's the Cerulean Birch top ones, and then there's the special nice top ones, and these are coming along great. I managed to get shop time in which I did all the routings now. The neck pockets are done, angled, still need to fit the necks. The necks are getting binding on them. Yep, this is the one for that one. I'm doing the binding today. Well, when I'm filming this today, so Friday. Last Friday I was doing the binding. So yeah, these are gonna be looking very, very cool. So there's the Cerulean Birch Daedalus, Cerulean Birch Icarus, the Spalted Birch and Resin River Daedalus ash body, and the Bubinga top alder body Icarus with the Bubinga backplate as well. I'm really looking forward to this one. Not only that, I've done a lot of work on Johnny's bass. Here's the neck for it. I did at the cabin, if you saw any of the live streams, I finished up wiring the fretboard. So what I had to do is I had to add little bits of acrylic there to kind of diffuse the light a little bit better. So now everything lights up properly. I just need to add a little bit more power to it to get the upper half of the fretboard shining up, because they're drawing a lot of power. That's going to be going on this neck right now. The veneer is just to keep from short-circuiting on the truss rod, just in case, and also to give me that 1.2 mil of excess material that I can route into to create channels for some extra wiring that I'm going to be putting in. So that's going on. The body of the bass is all the way over there, so I'm not going to go and pick that up. Then there's this really cool thing that I can't wait to discuss with you guys, but right now you're probably not going to see any of this because I'm going to blur it out. But this is going to be really cool when the time comes to talk about what's going on with this. This will be really cool, this thing that I have right here, this thing that you probably can't see because it's all blurred out, but this thing is really cool, this thing that I have right here. And remember this one? This is the bass that I had to take the fretboard off and add a new one. Well, I finally processed down the new fretboard for it. Just gotta cut the frets, put in an inlay, of course, rip off the old fretboard. Gonna be doing that very soon. That's gonna be mildly terrifying. I think I'm gonna film it and you can join in on all the fun. Then I did some work on the 7 strings. So the After Hours guitar, routed the back cavity, got a back plate. Still need to route the pickups to fit 7 strings. Right now they're for 6 strings. Got the neck pocket done and angled. Then I got Mikko 7 string well on the way, and the neck for it bound up with some ebony, and this thing looks pretty damn sweet. I am really looking forward to finishing this, but it looks real cool right now. Already at this point. Then, for now, that's all the build sort of stuff that's been going on. Had a couple of maintenance stuff that I do have a video waiting in the backlog just in case. Well, actually today, right now, I'm going to be filming another video doing some pick comparisons. So my friend Steven of Hurafen, hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Hurafen Guitars, sent me a couple of his picks. That one and just that one. And I am gonna be doing some comparisons between different kinds of picks just because I thought I might as well make extra content. I made a bone nut out of one of my dog's old bones that she's chewed on, but I took out of commission because she kept on hurting herself on. So I made a bone nut out of real bone, filmed that, and that's going to be coming out at some point when I don't have time to live stream. So I don't know any better schedule on that. I have the pick comparison thing. I have the cool little project that you guys, well, didn't see any of right now. I have the bass fretboard. I have all the stuff from the production guitars that I'm still working on, video stuff, and yeah, we're nearing 1,000 subscribers. I have just reached 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, which means I'm eligible for monetization of my videos. So I'll be able to make money on YouTube once they send me the application and tell me that it's okay to apply. They haven't done that yet, so I'm waiting for that. At the very, very last point, that'll be when I get 1,000 subscribers. That's gonna be freaking cool. 1,000 subscribers, it's gonna be the whole Patreon thing. You gotta work a lot to get everything done for that. Hoping to also do streaming via Twitch, but I need to set that up. Just haven't had the time to do it. And yeah, a lot of things in progress, and I'm looking forward to doing more and more. Oh, another cool video that I'm gonna do is the Pine guitar is still in tune, plays very well, and I really like it. But it still is, what, an 80 euro guitar-ish, under 100 bucks anyway. I wanna make a video of how good can I make this guitar. So what I'm gonna be doing is, yeah, gonna be cool upgrade time. Tell you what, I just ran through everything I'm gonna do to this. You're gonna have to wait until the video. I'm not gonna give it away now. But yeah, I think that's that for now. And I'm gonna get back to work once this video ends. I'm gonna edit this and then, yeah, get right back into it. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to see more, like and comment down below. And smash that bell icon because that helps out so much and actually gets my content out there. So if you want to support the channel, hit that bell and like the video. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you guys next week with either a live stream or a video of some sort. And go on to Instagram to check out the giveaway that is happening at 6 p.m. today, GMT +3, UTC +3. See you guys there.